Welcome to our guide on beneficial insects for your garden. Often overlooked, these tiny creatures are essential to the delicate balance of nature, even in our own backyards. These tiny helpers can make a big difference in maintaining a healthy and thriving garden. From controlling pest populations to pollinating our flowers and vegetables, their role is critical. Join me as we venture into their miniature world and discover the fascinating lives of these garden heroes. Over the next few minutes, we will unveil the identities of these beneficial insects, understand their remarkable life cycles, and learn how to attract them to our gardens. Our first encounter is with a familiar friend, the ladybug. A brightly colored dome, often red or orange, adorned with black spots. This little beetle is a welcome sight for any gardener. But behind this charming exterior lies a ferocious predator. Ladybugs are voracious eaters, and their prey of choice, aphids. These tiny sap-sucking insects can wreak havoc on plants, but ladybugs, both as adults and larvae, feast on them with gusto. A single ladybug can consume thousands of aphids in its lifetime. The ladybug's larvae, though less charming in appearance, are even more efficient aphid-eating machines. Their alligator-like bodies roam the undersides of leaves, decimating entire colonies. To attract these aphid annihilators, consider planting herbs like dill and cilantro, which provide both food and shelter. Avoid using broad-spectrum pesticides, which can harm ladybugs along with the pests. A healthy ladybug population can mean the difference between a thriving garden and one overrun by aphids. Next time you see one of these brightly colored beetles, remember the vital role it plays in maintaining the balance of your garden. Now let's move on to another fascinating creature that plays a crucial role in the cycle of life, the bee. Buzzing from flower to flower, bees are a familiar sight. Their industrious nature a symbol of diligence. But their importance to our gardens, and indeed our planet, cannot be overstated. Bees are master pollinators. As they flit from blossom to blossom, collecting nectar and pollen, they inadvertently transfer pollen grains, fertilizing plants and enabling them to produce seeds and fruit. Without bees, our gardens would be far less vibrant. Many fruits, vegetables and flowers rely heavily on bee pollination. From the humble apple to the juicy watermelon, our plates would be far less colorful without these buzzing helpers. Sadly, bee populations have been declining in recent years, threatened by habitat loss, pesticide use and disease. We can all play a part in their conservation. Planting a bee-friendly garden is a simple yet effective way to help. Choose a variety of flowering plants with different shapes, sizes, and blooming times to provide a continuous source of nectar and pollen. Avoid using pesticides that can harm bees and consider providing a water source, such as a shallow dish filled with pebbles for them to drink from. Every little effort can make a difference in supporting these vital pollinators. Now let's delve into the fascinating world of a stealthy predator, the praying mantis. With its elongated body, triangular head, and those remarkable grasping forelegs, the praying mantis is a master of disguise, blending seamlessly into its leafy surroundings. But don't be fooled by its seemingly pious pose. The praying mantis is a formidable predator, its patience and lightning-fast reflexes making it a formidable foe to unsuspecting garden pests. Caterpillars, beetles, grasshoppers, and even the occasional fly fall victim to the mantis's powerful grip. Its camouflage and stealth allow it to ambush its prey with deadly precision. The praying mantis is a welcome addition to any garden, helping to keep pest populations in check naturally. Attracting them can be as simple as providing a diverse habitat with plenty of foliage for them to hide amongst. Consider planting tall grasses or shrubs to offer shelter and hunting grounds for these fascinating creatures. Remember, a healthy mantis population is a sign of a balanced ecosystem. Now let's uncover the secrets of another beneficial insect, the lacewing, with its delicate wings and insatiable appetite. With their delicate, lace-like wings and shimmering green bodies, lacewings might seem too ethereal to be effective pest controllers, but appearances can be deceiving. Lacewings, particularly their larvae, are voracious predators of aphids, mealybugs, and other soft-bodied pests. Their larvae, aptly nicknamed aphid lions, are equipped with powerful jaws that they use to impale their prey and drain their bodily fluids. A single lacewing larva can devour hundreds of aphids during its development, making them invaluable allies in the garden. Attracting lacewings can be as simple as providing a source of nectar and pollen. Plant flowers like cosmos, daisies, and yarrow, which provide food for adult lacewings. Avoid using broad-spectrum insecticides, which can harm these beneficial insects. By encouraging lacewings to take up residence in your garden, you're essentially deploying a miniature air force to combat those pesky aphids. Now let's burrow beneath the surface and meet the ground beetles, the unsung heroes of the soil. Hidden beneath fallen leaves and within the soil, ground beetles are often overlooked, yet they play a vital role in maintaining the health of our gardens. These shiny, dark-colored beetles are nocturnal predators, emerging at night to hunt for their favorite prey. Slugs, snails, cutworms, and other soil-dwelling pests. Their insatiable appetites make them invaluable allies in the fight against these garden menaces. A single ground beetle can consume its own weight in slugs each day. Attracting ground beetles is all about creating a hospitable environment. Provide ground cover in the form of mulch, leaf litter, or ground cover plants to create hiding places and hunting grounds. Minimize soil disturbance and avoid the use of chemical pesticides, which can harm these beneficial insects. Remember, a healthy population of ground beetles is a sign of a healthy and balanced garden ecosystem. From the ladybug patrolling the leaves to the ground beetle patrolling the soil, these beneficial insects work tirelessly to keep our gardens thriving. Let's appreciate these tiny heroes and create gardens that welcome their presence. By welcoming these beneficial insects into your garden, you can create a balanced ecosystem that supports plant health and reduces the need for chemical pesticides. It's about working with nature, not against it, to create a thriving and sustainable garden. Remember, even the smallest creatures can have a profound impact on the health of our planet. Let's all do our part to protect these garden heroes and the vital role they play. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips.